Hi, Bernie here, and I've installed thousands of central vacuum systems for satisfied clients, and I want to tell you about the newest and most convenient central vacuum system on the market today, powered by Cyclovac Central Vacuums. It's Hide-A-Hose. No more dragging around and storing a big heavy hose. Hide-A-Hose automatically uses an ultra lightweight hose that automatically retracts into the wall when you're done vacuuming. Whether you're building a brand new home or have an existing home, Hide-A-Hose, powered by Cyclovac, can be added for a lot less than you might imagine. In the Sevierville, Crossville, and Knoxville, Tennessee area, call Mark Connolly at Modern Central Vacuum for more information. You'll be glad you did.